Hi, how are you? Welcome to the third session of our online tutorials. Last week, you have learned about some vocabularies related to the office, and you have learned how to write simple paragraph using basic mechanics in writing English. Okay, everyone, in the third session, you're going to learn the module 3. It is about informal email and memo. So, by the end of this week, you are expected to be able to write a simple email and differentiate email and memo. You can check this material in Module 3, which consists of 2 learning activities. Please check Module 3 and don't forget to check the enrichment links in your LMS. Don't forget to participate in discussion forum 3. And since this is your third week, so you need to do the assignment. Please check that you're going to do the assignment 1. Okay? So please do all the activities and good luck. See you next week.